Learn more, then pursue your studies.
English is the bridge that connects the world. Language, literature, linguistics, pedagogy, combined with digital technology, can unlock your potential. How far can English take you?
Let's go out together and step into the English-speaking world. Set off to explore the world through our immersion program, to listen, to talk, and to experience by yourself. And plenty of field experience opportunities to gain real-world workplace experience. With language, technology, and education, develop along multiple paths to ensure you're future-proof. The road ahead is within your grasp.